Hey friends, Eric Zanatelli here with more first-time homebuyer mistakes. The one I want to talk about today is the one where while you're looking for a house and after you get under contract, you start listening to your coworkers and your neighbors and your relatives about what they did when they bought their house. When you know what? You have no idea what their credit score was. You have no idea what their cash position was. Once you get started on the process of getting a house bought, you really just need to work one-on-one with your lender and make sure you cross all your T's and dot all your I's, and don't be talking to other people, because your situation is probably not exactly like anybody's situation, and it's pretty much probably not like that irritating relative of yours who always has the lowest interest rate on everything, the most cash in the bank, and the best looking kids. I promise you that your deal will be your deal, and we would work together with you. So here's what I suggest. Get a hold of us so you can apply for a mortgage and let us help you. And then once the process starts, just tune out all of this crazy talk from coworkers and family members. If you have any comments about this, please put them down below. Private message me or give me a call, because my team and I would love to help you buy a house of your dreams in 2025. I hope you're having a great day.